In the previous two videos, I described the promoters worksheet and worksheet 6A. You have another promoter assignment, so probably, I don't know which one you would want to do first. I'm thinking you would probably want to do the HSP 70 one first because it's a written description. In this particular assignment, it's not too different from this, except for we're going to do it for our GPX1 gene. You're going to go through and find the promoter elements in that one, and it's going to ask you to use R to do that. Alright, so if you will find, now I've already told you where the transcription start site is, which is around 5,000 in the C3 FASTA file. That region should be the promoter region. Alright, so you're going to have to go find the sequences in that region. I will tell you that usually you probably want to stay within 100 to 150 nucleotides before the gene. So if we consider the gene starting at 5,000, you want to go maybe 100 to 150 letters before it. Maybe you go into the gene a little as well. Maybe as many as, say 75 into the gene, and also look for some of those sequences. So 150 before, maybe 75 after. And you want to look to see if there are any places there that can act as promoter sequences for that gene. Do that one. Then you have, of course, worksheet 6, which I've already explained, and you have something called pairwise alignments. For this, you will go to this website, which I will go to here in a second, and you will follow these directions. And for the last assignment, it's not quite on the same website. It's a different set of tools on the website, and you will follow those instructions and complete this for the file called alignment upload for this one. For this one, you're going to use GPX1 and GPX2 and 3. I have two variants here, and these files that you need to complete these two, the pairwise and the multiple alignment, are found back here in weekly content. And when it says, not weekly content, let's see here, weekly assignments, no, it is in weekly content. Go back here, weekly content, worksheets, and FASTA files. So in here are the files needed, the FASTAs, needed to complete the last two assignments down here, so you don't have to go search for these. Now up here where you did the ones with the heat shock protein, you do have to go find those on your own. For the HSP 70, you will have to go to and use BLAST, find Drosophila HSP 70, find that gene yourself. It's to test to see if you can go find a gene within a different genome than humans, so make for sure you go use BLAST, look for Drosophila, find the HSP 70 gene, and you're going to have to find the region right before it. With these down here, you don't have to find the region before it. You use the files I've given you. You won't have to go search for them. I don't know exactly what order you might want to do with them. I would certainly read through most of these, and a lot of them have similar similar tasks, so you should get better at it. Of course, this one requires R. Also, let's see. Down here, you don't use R, you're going to use software, and I'm going to show you in another video about the software here.